Alright guys, I'm currently having some issues with my new touch panels that I ordered to replace on my printer. This is the old panel. You can read the the serial number right here, right? And then if we look at the power connection, the 5 plus, the plus 5s, the NC, all of that is in the same spot as the new board. And I'll show you that right now. Here's one of my new boards. I've actually got two new boards. Both of them are causing the same problem. So you can see there that the serial number matches the old one. 48270M04305WT. 0M043-05WT. Yep. Again, we look here where the power goes in, plus 5, plus 5, plus 5, NC, yep, all that's the same. Yep. So, this is where I'm at. I have, here, let's turn this off. Let's take out the micro SD card. And let's take this out. Okay. This is what I'm following, is the Wanhao 3dprinter.com guides. I have successfully gone through the machine settings using this laptop, obviously not my Mac, and connected it to the USB port, updated the drivers so it showed up as COM4, set the baud rate to what it says here at the 250 or 250,000, and successfully updated the firmware on the motherboard to this hex right here, the 2.1.8 right here. So now that I got that done, it was time to do this for the LCD. So I downloaded it. I have the files right here. Oh, I copied them all to the SD card. That's the hex. Hold on. Give me a second here. Let's throw this guy back in here. There it goes. Sorry, I didn't want to show up the first time. Alright, so here are all the files on the SD card. Okay, so following those steps, if you open up the manual here, this tells you to update the motherboard using the hex file. Install custom firmware. I did that. I got the green bar. I clicked OK. Everything was good. I unplugged the printer from the computer. I have formatted the micro SD to FAT32 with 4096. I then copied all of what you see here on the SD card, and that's what you see over here, I guess. I guess I was looking at the wrong instructions. It's this one. So this is the to actually format the LCD. So I've got that, and so I ran the formatting, and nothing happens. I tried just doing the instructions for just updating the firmware, you know, and that doesn't work either. For some reason, my new touch panels are just black screens. It's like they're not even getting power, and both of them are doing it. Like, I don't know what is going on. When I plug in the old one, here, let me show you real quick with the old one. Sorry for the crazy camera. Alright. So I plugged the old panel back in, right? When I turn it on, it actually did the flashing to format the screen. And so it went from the black to the white, like it says on the PDFs on the website. And then it says to turn it off and you're done. So I turned it off, right? And then, and this is my old screen that wasn't working. It's still getting power, and it was in the other videos I posted. You know, and it was still booting up. It was just the touch part was pushing the wrong, you know, the wrong part of the screen because it was just messed up. It was all gooped up and stuff. I've since then cleaned the screen a little bit. I think it might work if I can get it to work. But anyway, so I formatted the screen, downloaded the firmware, which is a different download, a different set of files. So I reformatted the SD card, put the new files on there that should update what was formatted, and nothing happens. It just sticks on the white screen. So this is the old panel. Okay. So if I take this one out, and I show you the new panel, okay, new panel's plugged in, turning it on, and see, it's not even lighting up blue or anything. It's just not doing anything. I don't know. That's got me stumped. I need help, guys. So I turn it off. Here, let's try this while I got you guys on here. I'm going to take out the battery that is shipped with the panel. And I'm going to take the battery out of my old screen, right? And we're going to stick it in there if I could get it to work. There we go. Okay. Battery that was, you just saw it light up. It was just on. I put the battery in this one. Let's turn this on. Again, nothing. Nothing. It's just ridiculous. So I'm going to turn that off. And so if I put in this other new panel, I bought 2 of them at the same time. It does the same thing. Both of these were from the Ultimate 3D Printing store from Odessa. And they have a website you can go check out. I don't know. Has anyone got any suggestions? I need you guys' help. Throw some stuff in the comments and let's see if we can figure it out. But it's like the new panels don't want to update the firmware or flash with the new files for the selected motherboard firmware that I used. You know, there were some options here. There's 2.1.1. You know, there's 2.1.7, but I went with the most recent. I went with the 2.1.7 with the motherboard update to go with it. So I went with this one. I don't know, maybe I should backtrack. Maybe I should try this one by myself. I don't know. If anyone else has taken a look at this, let me know, and let's see if we can figure it out. Oh, and then if you guys already haven't figured it out, but I'm using a Monoprice printer. This is the Wanhao Duplicator i3 Plus, but it's the Monoprice branded version. You know, but like I said, I showed you the serial numbers and everything. It all matches. This should work. But anyway, let me know what you guys think. Maybe we can figure this out. Talk to you guys later. Bye.